Namaste. Welcome to shanthalakshmiias Academy. If you are writing 2023 Civil Services Mains exam, so this video is for you. Last 15 days, that means now onwards we have only 15 days. Within these 15 days, what should be our plan? How to prepare with our answer writing, with our materials. Of course, we have huge material to revise and huge material which we have prepared, right? And also our classroom notes and outside authors information. We have huge information, but we have limited time. So, what should be our strategy? Yeah. Here, you can have a best strategy, that is, this last 15 days, you should focus on only revision. Revision means you have to revise your previous answers, you have to revise your previous notes, class notes, and the materials which you have already read twice or thrice. And also you have to do daily answer writing only 2 hours, not more than that. You have to write only 2 hours. You have to maintain at least 2 hours answers writing, and remaining whatever the 8 hours or 7 hours you have to revise. Revision or by heart or whatever the name you use, but you have to revise the entire syllabus of whatever you prepared. So here we can see the examination final strategy. That means the final tips. Number 1, your psychological balance. That means your emotional balance. That's important. You should not get anxiety that, sir, I don't have time. It's not enough for me. Yeah. No one feels the same. No one has the enough time. Everyone has his own problems. Few candidates have their own health issues. Few are having, still they don't have proper materials. Few of our students, they didn't even take proper coaching, but they got cleared preliminary. So everyone has their own problem. So what do you have to do here? You have to be confident that you are going to clear this exam. You are going to get maximum marks in your each paper and each answer. Once you visualize that you are going to get maximum marks in each answer, you can get maximum marks in each paper, and eventually you will be the topper in mains. To clear this exam, mains is the compulsory place to score maximum marks. We don't know what happens in interview. In interview, it depends on the situations, it depends on the board members' mood or our mood. We don't know what happens exactly, but in mains you can decide. Generally, what we do, before the exam 15 days, you have to maintain the day timetable exactly how you are going to spend in the exam day. That means during the examination days, how you are going to be, like morning, what are the timings you write the exam, you have to maintain same level of active brain. That means you have to read or revise actively during those hours. Generally, we have the habit of 1 day batting, 1 week batting in our graduation. Before exams, we don't sleep. Complete day and night we study, we finish the syllabus and we write the exams. It doesn't work in civil services examination. In civil services examination, you should maintain the consistency. Daily, the same time you have to study. So, you should not change your biological clock. And also, take proper healthy food. Don't consume, don't have non-veg more, because if you get motions, if you get fever, if you get any other flu, it will disturb at least 3 days. And you take medicines for that, it will definitely make you drowsy. So, it is better prevent them. That means prevention is better than cure. So, better have more juices and soft food Don't go for outside food like biryanis and generally the friends, they offer us to go out to have parties. Please avoid all of those parties outside. And also the sleep part. You have to sleep night time only. Even if you get sleep daytime, don't sleep. Don't sleep during daytime, because during the exam day also you feel same kind of drowsiness in the exam hall. That's one more thing you have to remember. Handwriting. Remember, your handwriting should be legible. Don't worry about your handwriting, that my handwriting is ugly, so I may not good score. Don't worry, because we have many of our students, they got good ranks with their, of course, not impressive handwriting. Only thing is, the answer should be legible. That's enough. You can decorate your answer with your content, with your beautiful phrases, with your flow charts and map drawing. There are so many things to impress them. If you could try better, try to improve your handwriting. Otherwise, don't worry, don't focus on that. Just focus on the content and its relevance to the question. And also, remember, whenever you write the mains answer, keep one principle in your mind. That is, you are going to attempt all the questions. That's it. Even if you don't know also, you have to answer all the questions. Sir, how can we write without knowing the answer? As you have spent at least 1 year on preparation, you can at least guess what you can write. Definitely, if you guess, it will connect to the question. Even if you don't know exactly, just to predict, just to guess it and write it. At least 2 paragraphs. So that if you get 1 mark in each answer, out of 20 questions, 20 answers you can collect. For example, for paper 1, you don't know 5 questions, you don't know how to write, you don't know content also. So, just to try to attempt those 5 questions, just to guess them and write something. If you get 1 marks extra, that means so 5 questions you will definitely get in each paper. So 4 papers you get 20 marks at least. So finally, 1 mark is also important. 1 mark can also change your rank, change your cadre, change your career total. From IAS to IPS, IPS to IRS, IRS to Indian Audit and Account Service or some other service. So every mark is important. So don't leave any question unattempted. So the next point here is, in your answers, keep one more principle in your mind. That is, if you don't write 1 paper well or satisfactorily, don't worry about that paper which was not written well. Focus on the next paper. Every ball is different in cricket. Here also every paper is individually different. You should not carry whatever the emotions from the first paper to the second paper. For example, you have written the first paper well. You have written the first paper amazing. But you should not carry that, the overjoyous feeling. And you should not be overconfident that I can write every paper like that. The second paper should be taken care. The second paper should also be written with a disciplined manner. That means be careful in the second paper also. And third paper also. Even if you don't write the second paper well, better try to give the best in the third paper. So we don't know what happens in the end of the day. Maybe you don't feel happy by first paper, but in the first paper itself you may get good marks. It happened to many of the toppers. Even topper doesn't know that he is going to be the topper. Okay, so be confident till the last exam. If you are writing this year mains, still you don't have confidence, please call to Shanthalakshmi IAS Academy, 9000222737. Number is there. You can call to our institute and get our personal support for free. Don't worry, we are with you, but you must excel in your mains. Don't miss this opportunity just because I didn't finish my syllabus properly, I didn't write answers properly, I could not compete with my friends. My friends already they were ready with all materials, all answers. I couldn't do that. Don't worry. There are so many success stories. Those toppers who didn't feel confident and they gave attempt, but they could become toppers. All the best. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box or call to our institute. Shanthalakshmi IAS Academy is with you. Thank you.